So, one of our awesome subscribers has commented and he said, I've got the Coving, I've got the mitre box, I'm about to start my project, but I need to know how to end the run of Coving. So he's got a situation where all four corners can't meet. He needs to end here and he needs to finish this end. So I told him I'd do a quick video showing how we'd get around that. So basically the easiest way to imagine, so this is your run of Coving that you need to put an end on. The easiest way to imagine to do this is to pretend that, let's say you want to end here. Let's pretend that this is a corner and you need to go around that corner and down the wall in that direction. So here and here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this as if we're going to make an external mitre. So as you can see, I've cut this as if we are about to turn the corner and go that way down the wall. So basically just an external corner. You imagine if this is an external corner, your Coving would then turn and go this way. Now we need to cut that piece of Coving as if we are turning the corner and going that way. We'll cut it larger than we need just to get that external mitre, and then we'll trim it afterwards. So we've cut our piece of Coving, so we've done it as if it's an external corner. The only difference is we have then trimmed it right as the mitre starts on this section of Coving, if that makes sense. So as you can see, that will slot straight in there like that. But essentially, if you ignore this piece of wall here, you can see that all it is an external corner, as if the mitre is then turning direction and heading down that way.